Here at the WIX dashboard, you want to look to your left side of your screen, and then you want to scroll down until you see these settings, and then you want to click on it. On settings, on finance and payments, you want to choose on tax right here. Just click on it one time, and again, you want to scroll down until you see this here. On tax location, just click on add location. So you have to manually customize the tax for each country that you sell your product or services. So for example, if you sell your product to the US and Germany, you want to add the location of US and Germany each individually. And keep in mind, on some country, you have to customize the tax on each individually of the states. So for example, if we go on United States right here, click on US, and on US, you will have to add the tax rate on each of the state. So for example, if you add all of these states on 51 states, you will have to manually set the tax rate on 51 states. But for example, on another country, we can call it as France. And right here, there are the settings that call setup tax for every region individually. So if you want to set the tax on each region individually on the France, you want to make sure this toggle is on. But if you want to add the same taxes for everyone on one specific countries, so there are no difference between any states or province or city, you want to make sure this setup tax for every region is turning off. So you just have to add a one country and then click on add. And here at the tax rates, you can customize the tax rates for form payments, shipping and delivery, and also the products. You can also turn on this advanced mode to set on the specific product with different taxes rate, but I will do it in the normal mode, and I will just add on 10 on each of the tax rate. And then after that, don't forget to click on save. And there you go. Right now, the France is having the tax rate of 10%. And so for example, if you want to add the US, click on country and search for United States. And on the states, you can select all of it, or you can just choose on individually and then click on add again. And then you want to wait for a bit until these 51 states loaded on the WIX dashboard. And there you go, 51 new locations were added. And here, for example, if I want to customize the Utah tax rate, just click on Utah. And then again, just typing in the tax rate. For example, I want to go with 12 on each of them, 12%, and then click on save again. And as you can see, you really have to add manually on all 51 states in America. And after you set all of the tax rates, if you want to delete some states or region, on the specific region, you want to hover over it, and then click on these three dots, and then choose on remove location, and click on remove again. And after you've done customizing the taxes, you can just scroll down, and then here on the tax settings, on how would you like to collect tax, you can choose between edit it at the checkout or include it in your prices. You can also see the example of it just here on show me what this means. And if you want to know more, just click on I want to know more. And got it. And there you go. You can just add more country or more states and city by click on this add location, and it will have the same steps as we do before. And there you go. If you still have any question about WIX, just comment down below and I will try my best to assist and help you guys. And that's how to set up taxes on WIX. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.